I had to stop my screen recording, but I have to. Okay, now I'm recording again, but I had to stop my screen recording for that minute.
Oh,
Okay,
bro, this kid
King,
destroyed.
be funny,
Bruh,
be funny. Say
be
something.
funny.
Yes,
To who?
our audience. Be funny.
Ah, I am not a funny. Oh fuck, I'm not a
Be
funny
funny.
guy.
Be funny. Arrow.
Oh my god, now with your stupid ass. You're
Yes.
wasting it.
They don't take too much resource to craft a stone arrow. It's not like I'm using an enhanced one. Ooh, headshot.
I'm currently repairing. Hello.
Right here, right
How do?
here,
Oh,
right
I
here,
see.
right here, right here.
Oh. Daddy pursuit.
Eh,
Ton.
eh.
How
Arrow,
to do you do? What the fuck?
arrow.
How to do you do?
I don't know.
What is that?
It's a rookie quest. Why can't I fire? Oh, right
Why are you
there.
firing at me? What did I do?
Last shot. Oh no, you did nothing. That's the point. You did nothing. That's why.
Oh wow.
Yes, man. You've
Uh-huh.
done nothing and never will do anything till
Oh,
the
you want me
end
to
of
help
this.
you?
I don't know. Do you have your own missions? Do you have to do?
No.
Like I have to hunt a piranha.
What the oh, Piranha is very easy.
Yeah, let's go.
But you're gonna get ganged. That's all I know.
I have a crossbow. I can fire from range. Okay.
Crossbow, you're gonna be underwater, just letting you know.
Frames, frame rate, frames. That's not that bad. It's jolting around a bit.
Let me hunt Piranha too then.
Settings, video, probably go to high.
Where is it?
Apply.
I don't see Piranha at all.
It's a mega piranha. You go to backpack.
Oh,
Mega
I
piranha,
see.
yeah.
Mega
Hunt.
here. Oh fuck, why is it mega? We're gonna get dead.
Yeah, man. Or
Is there
I
a map
I
for
think
us?
it's just a piranha. You have a marker indicating where your
Oh, we
quest
need to
is.
craft 2 spears before we go.
I craft one.
Oh. 2.
Is that even
Asking
is
for
that a
2.
part of the quest? I don't think it is. No way.
Yes. Yes.
I don't want to go back.
Ha, lazy. Lazy.
Can I just
Get
craft
you up
two off the spot?
your stupid spear, huh?
You can probably just craft one off the spot.
Can you do it?
We have wooden
Do you know how
spears,
to?
right? We can craft spear, weapon,
Yeah,
wood, flint, and fiber.
kinda.
I don't want to use this machete to chop wood. Oh, one tap? Okay.
160. What is pretty easy?
Dude, you one tap trees with the sword. You one tap
Oh.
trees with the sword.
But you don't get what you need.
Yeah, we still one tap trees.
It's a one-shot tree, but like you won't get what you want.
I need fibers. I need fiber.
Oh, just go to the
Okay,
bushes
I got
and
it.
use your hand.
Okay, crafting. How many can I craft it?
4 flints.
Craft it. I need flint. Okay, that's from rocks.
Yeah, just mine rock.
I need to craft a
Fine.
freaking axe. No. I'm not even gonna go back. I'm just gonna craft 2 spears and probably just drop them.
Drop 'em. You gotta use it.
Okay, I picked up 2 stone.
Okay, what did it say? Oh, it's time to hunt piranhas now.
Inventory. Yo, don't even try it. Dude, we're destroying dude, these weapons are awesome. Like I took out like a
I'm
level
coming
2.
to hunt piranha.
Alright, man. Now I can use.
Wait, I'm already done with it or what? What the fuck?
Okay. I think I'm gonna go back. Okay, I'm going back. I'm going back. I can't hold all this stuff. I can't. Change your voice to a baby right now. Do it.
Why not?
Change
Why?
it. Sounds funny.
No.
Why? It sounds fun. Do it. Content.
Alright, bet. Hold up.
Content.
Content be like.
Yes.
Stop.
Huh? What? Talk. I can't hear you, man.
His voice chat is so stupid.
You're... Oh, wait, I need to take this animal out.
Hey, bitch.
Okay.
I'm searching. Where are you?
I can't... I pooped. Nice. You sound so... Nah. What's wrong with your mic? Your mic... Maybe it's better on the recording. Probably. That's probably what it is. Maybe. I don't know. Hopefully it's better on the recording. There you go.
Where is it? Where do I find it? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna miss him, bro. Get the fuck up. Oh my gosh. I'm getting chased.
Okay, man.
I just want a mission to do. Please don't chase me.
Okay.
Why are you laughing? How? I thought we said I went together.
I know. I said the audience would laugh, man. I'm laughing as well.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I survived.
All right. You do whatever, man.
Do whatever. Well, fuck.
You good? Are you good?
Fuck, I'm running.
You're running? Okay, man. Do you have meat with you so you can replenish health?
Nope.
Oh, you should have brought wood.
Don't tell me I still a big boy egg.
You're a little boy.
Now he's gonna be chasing
You're
a
a
big
little
boy.
boy.
Like a dinosaur. Long neck one. Okay, I'm gonna take meat. Don't worry.
Huh?
Are you up here? In the base?
I'm at the base. I just built like 2 spears. Now I'm gonna hunt for the piranha.
The piranha hunting is so ass. Oh, you are here. Wow. You didn't win hunting.
Oh. Let's go, man. Oh. Oh. I have it. Hey, can I...
You had it right.
I have it. I don't know. There it is.
Oh.
There it is.
I'm gone.
Okay, man, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. We go hunting. Let's go.
Okay, it's here somewhere in the river. I think.
All right, man.
The piranha's supposed to be easy. Why are we taking so much time?
It's fine, man. You didn't even do one single quest when I was offline. Why?
Yeah, I didn't.
It's a you fault. You fault.
It's not a you fault.
It is a you fault. No.
My fault.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna start calling you Alvin because you sound like a chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
Yes. A little chipmunk.
Bruh, whenever I get to the river, it wants me to search for it. Fuck you, bitch. Where are you, piranha? Oh shit, 10%.
There's so much animals. Oh, you're 10%?
Come up, piranha. Find me.
Animal. Ow. Die. Poison. Fucking poison.
Oh, it's a salmon. Okay, never mind. I'm leaving you alone.
I can't die from this, right? Okay.
This the one.
I'm not. Okay.
The salmon too?
Die. Oh my gosh. What? I'm being cooked. No! Not like this, not like this. Oh, I killed the raptor.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I killed them both. Oh. Inventory?
I was at level 200.
Dude,
That's
a player
crazy.
died here. A player died here. What is that?
Are you piranha?
Someone has a turret. You can have rocket launchers in this game. What? Oh, shoot. Ow. Stop trying to kill me. No, not like this, not like this, not like this, not like this. Die.
Can't fight piranha at all. Let up here.
It's locked though, I can't go in it.
This is so stupid. I can't find it.
You can't find it with your little squeaky voice. You have a search circle that tells you if you're closer or farther.
No, it doesn't. wants me to find it. And I'm at the river and it just keeps searching and searching.
I found two.
Fuck man, those are not piranha. What the fuck? Who's it? Oh my god.
I might die from it. Oh my, this is how I die. This is how I die. This is how I die. I'm not. No. Can't hit me.
What the fuck? I'm getting eaten.
I died.
I'm getting eaten. What the fuck? I'm getting eaten. I died.
This mission gay. Oh my gosh.
Good.
Fuck piranha. We're gonna go another one.
I have one more. I just need to kill one more piranha. I'm good.
Oh my god. I didn't even find one, but I found other stuff.
I'm gonna kill a monkey. Oh, I killed. Oh, I shot a monkey.
Monkey doesn't bear.
Ow! What the fuck?
Dang. Boy getting raped.
Oh. I missed the chipmunk voice, you.
Oh my god.
That was content.
Content, bro. What the fuck?
Contente.
You a cunt. You a cunt.
No, not dude. That's like Zion.
Yes, and you are a cunt.
It's like you little dumbass cunt. Me
What
Australian.
the fuck?
What?
Who poisoned me?
I'm just trying to drink.
I just spawned here, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
Potato.
Damn, get your ass beat, bro.
Nah, gotta get all my stuff.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. I'm a poison again.
Nice. Dude, yes, you do. Dude, when you place down a sleeping bag, you spawn at it. So you don't have
Damn,
to travel.
somebody's dead, you a bitch.
And try to die.
I'm chasing something else in the map. Hold up. Reptile. That should be easy. Reptile.
Okay.
Craft
I
8?
think,
What the fuck is that? It's
dude, am I okay?
why do I have to craft them bitches? What a waste of
I
time.
think I kept everything in my inventory. Don't know why. Why does it do that sometimes? Is that like a setting on the server?
Oh, it's in the map where you want to find the... Oh my god, I'm stupid.
Yeah, you didn't see it? It's the top left. It shows there's an arrow pointing where it is. Craft,
A large bin for... Oh, what the fuck? Who? Oh my god.
yes?
Fuck you.
You die. What happened?
No, I'm getting poisoned. Like, how many times have to get poisoned?
Die,
Get the
die.
oh, I fucked. Fuck again.
Trick shot. Doink. It did.
God damn, yo, fuck,
You good?
fucking racist, bitch.
Neat.
Ah,
Oh, die. I killed a compy. That's how you experience.
fuck.
I died on the river line, right?
Fuck.
Somewhere. I'm well aware. I just got fricked by him. Oh, shit. Okay.
How do I cancel this shit like that?
I'm gonna die. Where's my bed?
Crab bow and 10 arrows.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Those are so gay.
Yes.
Okay, gotta go.
Oh, no. Shield. Kill the bug. Nice. Where's my stuff? I had so much meat.
This quest is so stupid. I'm not gonna go for stuff.
Dude, you
I
get
mean,
experience and
stuff.
you
This
get new
quest is so
recipes
dumb.
by doing quests.
Recipes? Fuck those.
Yes. No,
Doesn't.
don't fuck the... No, enjoy the recipes. Where the heck was I at?
You ain't gonna help me. It's not gonna help me. I'm at my base. Oh shit. Climb, bitch. on, bitch.
Really following the shoreline. I don't see-
Okay, a bow and 10 arrows.
we have
How do I
toads.
craft?
There's toads in this game. Die. Oh, hi.
I don't even have bow, bro.
Do you
What the
think they have
fuck?
T-Rexes in this game?
Yes, I guess.
Oh. Where did I die? What the frick?
Fuck? I'm at my base and some bitches wanna attack me.
Where am I at?
Are they eating our shit? Oh my god. Yo!
Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa!
It's eating me! Get the fuck out!
Leave it be.
It ate me! Oh my god, sir.
Okay, man. Alright. He ate you. I'm just looking for where the heck my stuff was at.
Keep dying by this stupid ass dinosaur.
You will killed by a raptor, man.
Reptile. Raptor.
Raptor, yeah. Where the hell
Oh my.
is my
It destroyed
stuff?
most of my armor. I don't want to play this game
That
just because of
beacon?
this hunting mission.
It's just piranhas, man. You can probably use a sword to attack them as well.
Yes, I did, but before I do that, they get you.
Fun fact, when you die, you have to restart the mission from square one.
Nice.
Yes. Is that my beacon? Is that green thing my beacon? Or is that just a supply drop? Oh, fuck you. What? No! No!
You fell to die.
I'm done. Frick that. Why do we have raptors in our base?
Oh yeah, that's the one that killed me.
In your face.
You got killed.
I'm still alive. I can't jump. Ah! No! Not like this. Yee! I'm dead. Dude, why did you bring a raptor to our base?
He was just there eating our base.
Dude, it destroyed our bed.
Our mission is to kill that bitch.
It destroyed our bed. It destroyed the bed.
Yeah. They're evil. Oh, I remember now. I saw a clip of them destroying
Dude,
in the
bed is
video.
gone. Oh, no, I have to go manually. Why did you have
Sounds like we could have used the bed too.
And also, we had to go on like a quest. Or like just travel around the
Why
whole
does
map.
it jumps, bro? What the fuck did I do? It jumps and I have no chance of getting away, yeah.
Almost killed by level 170.
Oh my god.
Okay,
What the
man.
fuck is you?
Huh? I'm trying to make my way towards our...
And he's eating me now? Come on, eat me.
Yeah, eat me, man. Eat me more. Eat me. We've only done one quest.
Oh, this...
Server saving.
He
And
just
also-
pushes.
Also,
Okay.
we should make some
I can-
walls for our house. Or maybe I can.
Bro, stop pushing me in the water, bro. What the fuck did I do?
I got my shield.
The fuck are you waiting for?
I'm coming.
It's going
So
underwater.
glad we spawned with most of our stuff.
What up, bitch?
Dude, this piranha quest is hard.
What is his name?
Who are
Fuck you, sir.
Okay, what do we need to
What the fuck? Who hit me? You got some long ass tail,
repair and
bitch.
smithing? Okay, man, I'm coming. Eh. Shield, shield. The shield camera angle is so bad. Oof.
Need taming or to tame?
What tame?
Tame, dinosaur. Fuck, man. Stop hitting me.
Dude! Oh my god! Ah, there's two of them! No! Ah! No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. There's two of them! King! No! No!
Alright. I'm on my way. You on your own, bro. It's alright.
You have to help me, dude. We have to kill them. We need our base. We're not abandoning our base.
We not.
Where are you?
I'm fighting a big, long neck kid.
You're okay. So you're attacking a vegetarian. Maybe if I crossbow him from a distance.
He's very low. How does it feel?
It feel good. Content's good. Oh, did they leave?
Can I pick a fight like this?
Okay.
I can't see what I'm doing. Oh shit! It made me want to speak. Sure, I didn't mean what I just said, please.
Whoa, dude! The raptors left. Our beds are
Nice.
gone though.
Nice. It's
We gotta
not like we
make
used it.
walls.
I get through a stack. Oh, I don't have food. That's crazy. Oh shit, he just killed
Okay.
himself.
I'm clearing all my armor. Okay, cool. That's
How do you even
nice.
hit?
Now we have to go.
Get your ass back, kid. Okay. Survive,
Okay,
survive.
you good? You good? Okay.
Can I hit like this?
Okay, I got my armor and stuff, and now I have
Oh,
to
I
make
can.
sleeping bags again. Hide.
Damn, get slapped, bitch.
I think fibers.
Come back. No, come back, sir. I didn't mean it.
Okay. Inventory. Crafting. Bags are like at the bottom, right? Craft. Don't know if I have to make one or two. Maybe, who knows? Okay. Inventory.
Damn, where's your head at?
Yeet.
Open the door. Come back.
No.
There we go.
No, come back.
Come to Papa.
Stay away.
Come to Papa.
No, don't come to Papa. Hell no. Ew. Why come to Papa?
Come to Daddy.
Hell, that's even worse.
That's better.
No, it's even
Oh
worse.
well. From 5,200 health to 1,900 for right now.
Okay, I made the two beds. I don't want to move from
Get your
the
ass back, kid! What the fuck are you doing there?
What are you? I don't know. You talking to a dinosaur?
Yes.
Why are you talking to a dinosaur like that?
Oh shit.
You act like
don't
they're
turn
real
around.
players in PUBG.
I don't really
Like,
care.
get your ass
I
back
don't-
here. Then you get knocked and dead.
You
Potato.
don't see me. He's stuck, I think.
You good? Where are you anyway? You're on the
Ah,
shoreline,
what the
right?
fuck? Did it damage
Dude,
me?
the
What
base.
the fuck? Oh my god.
You were. You good?
Yes, I gotta find him because he's... Oh, what the fuck? Who's already attacking me? Golly. Fuck. I died again. I just
Okay.
spawned. What the fuck did I do?
Level 70. Dude.
Is it because
Okay.
I don't have armor? They're picking fight with me, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, probably. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because both my devices are at like 17%.
Oh my god, this game's so stupid.
I can actually I can recharge one of them. I'm gonna charge you. I'm gonna plug you in. I'm gonna plug you in.
What is his name?
Potato, potato, potato. Okay, let's go.
What the fuck is that?
Recording saved. Okay, now I can go and transfer that stuff.
Winded up. How do you even wind it up? What the fuck?
Okay. I'm gonna go for the Mega Piranha quest. After we do that quest, I'm probably gonna I'm gonna finish recording altogether. Probably.
And this game's so shit.
No, you bad. It's just you bad.
I don't like the fight. I don't like to.
Let's go! Piranha.
No,
Piranha. Piranha.
please don't tell me it's attacking me.
Piranha. 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 Ooh, dino. Ow! Hurt a lot more than I wanted to. Inventory. Meat. Oh, no, what is it?
Oh, right here.
Die.
No, fuck this
Die.
mission. So I'm just gonna go back.
I'm doing the mission.
Make my own shit. I'm not doing this.
You have to make sure, dude. I don't. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm gonna get the XP probably.
Yes.
Okay.
Good luck. This thing's
I have to
too
kill
boring.
5 of them.
It was there's so much source. I had like what the fuck? I had 200
You can repair them, you know.
repairs.
You
fully
didn't.
broken,
You didn't
bro.
know you can. If it's fully broken, you can still repair
I can
it.
repair, but like just waste.
Okay. It's so dark.
Yeah. Oh, I need to get. Oh my god.
I'm cold. There's no fish anywhere. It's not even a piranha.
Damn, run those. Run those. Yes, sir.
This direction, isn't it?
Bro, it's rolling up now.
Don't leave me be. Leave me. I'm fine. No. Dinosaur's getting pretty ripped apart. Well, I'm gonna ignore that. Oh.
What the fuck, man? Hi, Toto.
Oh, I know. I'm peaceful.
I'm sorry.
Oh shit, no. Not like this. No. Why am I glitching? There's no piranhas anywhere. Piranhas. Oh, there's one. Okay, I found one. Okay, you wanna go? Level 1! Whoa! No. Dude, frick this quest.
What stage it called?
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Die, 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 die. Ow, 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 ow. No, die, die. Oh, no, no, like this, not like this. Die, die. Okay, I killed it. I did it. I did the quest. Oh, I need 5 of them. No, I did it. No, I did it. It said 1. It didn't say 5. I'm gonna harvest it. Dude, it took so much of my health. Oh my gosh. Okay, well I did that quest.
No, don't fly away. You was 1 HP. Oh.
1 HP? I know. Are you trying to tame a bird?
Can't tame me if I kill it. Like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
human feces.
Come on, fight me back.
Eat.
Come on, fight me. Come on, fight me.
Let's spawn in.
Hit me again. Come on, you want HP too. Come on, fight me.
Oh, dead body. Gimme,
Let's go.
Gimme,
Fuck.
gimme. Ow! What the frick? Oh my gosh, a turtle! Oh my gosh, turtle, 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 turtle,
Total is there.
turtle, turtle. Freaking war turtle from Pokemon.
Total.
No, 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 no.
Bro, I injured my bone. What the fuck?
Ow! Not like this, not. Oh no! Not like this! Not like this! Oh my God! Ah! Yeah! 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 I'm fast! I'm fast! I'm fast! I'm speed! I'm speed! I'm speed! Jump! I'm speed! I'm fast! I'm too fast! Food! Eat! Eat food! Eat food! Die! Oh no! No! Ah! I'm dead! King! Help! King! No! No! Stay away! Stay away! Stay away! I've broken a bone. Still. Yeah, get. Dude, this. Oh,
Hey,
it's too much health.
I'm gonna have my own fun taming while you just hunt.
Hey!
Better. Good luck, my boy.
What are you doing?
You need help?
No.
You need help?
I'm just running. I did the piranha thing.
Was it worth it?
No, I'm not done. Oh wait, I'm gonna die now by bugs.
Bugs is easy, don't worry.
I'm at 1 health.
So what? They're not gonna hurt you. Oh shit, what the oh. What the
killed them
fuck is
both.
this?
Die, 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 die.
Hello.
Okay. Am I dead?
Hello, sir.
Okay. I have to get 4 more piranhas. 4 more piranhas. 4 more. 4 more piranhas. Okay, that's the episode for today. King, say goodbye.
Goodbye, you two.
Goodbye.